Hello everybody, welcome back to TechTube. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's episode, I'm gonna guide you through the tutorial video of how to hide online status on WhatsApp. So if you have been using WhatsApp and using it on online mode and don't know how to turn that off or don't know how to use offline on WhatsApp, then this video is for you. I hope this video finds you. So to get started, first of all, go ahead and tap on the WhatsApp application, and once you are inside the WhatsApp application, there you can see three dots. Click on it and click on settings. Now go ahead and tap on the privacy option, and there you can see who can see my personal info. Click on it, and from there you can see who can see my last seen and who can see when I'm online. Simply tap on no one and change the settings. Doing so will make you offline and hide your online status on WhatsApp. So that is how easily you can hide online status on WhatsApp. I hope this video is helpful for you. If yes, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.